Nice to see you po. God bless you all.
Mga dignitaries na live.
Ay, good morning po. Good morning. Okay po.
Si P. Albert. Si P. Albert. Ay, Mayor. Si P. Albert. Si P. Albert, halika dito.
Ay, okay po.
Bless Mayor. Pascal.
Good morning.
Kamali talaga ako.
Kala ko, uuwi mo talaga eh.
Let's all welcome our beloved Governor, District Governor Apolinar Cortez. Please, our beautiful first District Governor, Mel Teixeira. Next, we have our second District Vice Governor, Miss Juliet Zika. Please welcome Juliet.
Let's have our Honorable Mayor, Virgilio Rosel Pilar. Our past District Governor, Mayor Rose Pedra Sentencia. Our Cabinet Secretary, Mayor Loisa Olivera Templainer. Our Cabinet Treasurer, Mayor Helen Marlon.
Mga senior na.
President Administrator, Mayor Ida Flora. PFKF with Ida DeMarco. Now let's welcome our District Peace Officer, Chairperson, our zone chairperson, Nat Williams. Let's welcome our zone chairperson, Romeo Casalay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, fellow Lions, good morning.
Welcome to the first induction ceremony of Indang Cavite Highlands 103 Lions Club, January 4, 2026, here at Casper Head Events Place, Capital Site, Indang Cavite.
And We will proceed with the national anthem.
Call to order.
Call to order. To formally open today's ceremony, may we call on Mr. Lion Noel Santos, which is the past president of the club for Lion Year 2024-2025.
For call to order. Salamat po kami na napakarami sapagkat niloob mong mangyari ang aming mga mithiin ngayon sa induction ng mga bagong Lion members. Ama, nawa sa amin ka sa buong panahon ng aming event. Nawa buong kapayapaan, pagmamahalan, at pag-iisang diwa ang mag-ahari sa amin sa pamagitan po namin tagapagligtas na si Kristo Jesus. Amen. Ligaya na pag may mang-aapi ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. And intelligence will be our nation's safety. Roar!
Roar!
Lions Philippines, love and service to all man and doing great. Lord, to the lowly and the poor, in your love forevermore, we will fight to the last with all our heart. Lord, the last with all our heart.
Council Chairman, Vic Kamwa, PMJF. First Vice District Governor, Lion Imelda Pechera, 55, PMJF. Second Vice District Governor, Lion Juliet Lasita, PMJF. Get District Coordinator, Lion Procesa Peña, 2 PMJF, together with First Gentleman Nathaniel Tendencia. GLT District Coordinator, Lion Susan Rosetta Santillana, MJF. District Auditor, PDG Ana Maria Palasigue, PMJF. Our Cabinet Secretary, Lion Eloisa Olivera, MJF. Our Cabinet Secretary, Lion Helen Malar, 2 PMJF. I stand corrected, Cabinet Treasurer, Lion Helen Malar. GST District Coordinator, Lion Cecil Asprek, 53 PMJF. Deputy District Administrator, Lion Melvin DiMarco, MJF. Deputy Chairperson for Documentation and Photography, Lion Macaria Villanueva, PMJF. Lion BC Peace Poster, Feng Villanueva, 6 PMJF. EDG, Mr. Amado Samulay, PMJF. Apologies, I forgot. Our very own Honorable Mayor Virgilio Berhel Fidel, together with our First Lady, Madeline Fidel. Also, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our club from different organizations, different clubs. So we have the Marinas Lions Club, PMJF. General Pias Lions Club, PMJF. Tagaytay Lapierre Lions Club. We also have here Butindupa Lions Club.
It's a meaningful day for us, especially for us inductees. This ceremony officially opens a mark in our journey as Lions Club members.
our very own Honorable Mayor Lion Virgilio Fidel.
Dito, podium. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Sa ating pong mga alayon sa Langindang at sa ating mga bisita. Binabati ko po muna kayo ng manigong bagong taon. Sana'y masaya ang inyong naging Pasko at sana salubungin natin ang ating bagong taon na tayo'y naging masaya. Lahat ng nakaraan nating mga naging problema ay huwag na nating dalhin sa pagpasok ng bagong taon at i-treasure na lang natin kung ano magandang nangyari sa ating buhay. Bago ako magpatuloy, tingin ko po muna ang ating District Governor, Lim Apolinar Cortez, sa ating pong Past Council Chairman, Big Kamwa, sa ating pong First Vice Governor, Imelda Lim Padera, Petsera pala. Oo. Second Vice District Governor, Lim Juliet Nasita. Sa ating pong District Coordinator, Lion PDC, Prinsesa Tendensya. Sorry. First Gentleman, Nathaniel Tendesa. District Auditor, PTG, Ana Maria Palasiki. Cabinet Secretary, Lim Eloisa Lion, Eloisa Olivera. Pasensya na talaga, malabong mata. Cabinet Treasurer, Lion Helen Molar. GST District Coordinator, Lion Cecil Asprek, 53 PMJP, JF. District Administrator, Lion Aida Flora. Deputy Administrator, Lion Melvin DeMarco, MJF. Lion Macaria Villanueva, PMJF. Lion RM Albaran, PMJF. Lion Lex Villalobos, Lev Villalobos. Las Marinas Lion Club, PMJF. General Trias Lions Club, PMJF. Tagaytay, Lapere Lions Club. Welcome po dito po sa aming bayan ng Indang. At ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo lahat at napili nyo po itong aking lugar para maging venue ng ating gagawin induction. At sa araw na ito, itinatalaga ko na laging kung gusto nyong gamitin itong lugar ko, wala po kayong babayaran. Talagang ito ay pagkakaloob ko na libre sa ating mga pamiyembro ng Lions. At ako ay natutuwa at dito ginanap ang first induction ng Lions Club ng Highlands Cavite 102. Kaya ako ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat. At yun lamang ho, welcome po kayo palagi dito sa aming tahanan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you to our Honorable Mayor Verhel. Okay, so it's already about to go to our lunch. Maybe we could have our lunch for a while before we proceed with the next part of the program.
Sino kaya RC? Sino kaya? Ito nga po.
Somehow
ang mga nasimula ng ating grupo. Mga kapwa Lions, hayaan po niyo ipakilala ko at bigyan ng ating buong suporta ang ating papasok na Pangulo, si Lion Dr. Riel Pulido. I now turn over the gong given to Lion Dr. Riel Pulido, symbolizing responsibility and authority to lead the Indang Cavite Highlands 103 Lions Club during the Lion Year 2025-2026.
Thank you, Dean, for passing these symbols of leadership. And to my fellow Lions in the Cavite Highlands 103, I am honored to serve as President for the Lion Year 2025-2026. Mayor Berhel Fidel is pledging to become the first MJF of Indang.
Naisipan kong magbigay ng 50,000 dahil alam kong yan ay gagamitin ng Lion sa Club International sa pagtulong sa ating kapwa. At na-miss ko kasi tumulong ngayon kasi yearly kami ni Mrs. nagtutulay. Pupunta kami sa ibang probinsya at yun ang ating mga kalayon at tayo nagagawa ng Christmas giving sa lahat ng mga sa bayan na aming napunta ng probinsya. Ginagawa namin yan yearly. Pero ngayon, hindi namin nagawa. Kaya siguro, sa pagbibigay ko ng 50,000 donation, kapaabot na at mas maraming makikinabang na dapat matulungan dito sa ating bansa o sa mga lugar sa buong mundo. Ilabang, maraming salamat.
Ng Lion Year 2025, 2026, punta lang po kayo dito sa first Vice President Lion Attorney G. Rosales. Second Vice President Lion Alvin Pio de Rome. And our 5-year Secretary Lion Michelle Alvin Canulan. And your very own, ako po ang nag-last pag ng pera. Treasurer. Lion past presidential. And our club membership, past president Lion Women. Well, and our club service chairperson, wala lang po siya ngayon, si Lion Attorney Eman Añunuevo, and our marketing communication, our news of our club, si Lion Engineer Carlos, and LCIF, Lion Doc Elmer Maten, and our club director, si Mayor Lion Cap Berhel Philip, Lion Mayor Cap Berhel Philip. And then our club director 2, wala rin po siya ngayon, si Lion Engineer Attorney Domingo Reola. Si club director 3, si Joby, yung aming singer. And then director 4, si Lion Doc Helen Astobesa. Wala lang po siya ngayon. And then club director 5, si Lion Doc Ryan Abuda, which is wala lang po siya ngayon. So kami po ang flag officers ng Indang Cavite Highlands 103, District 301A2, na kami po ay nasa inyong tapat na 100% po na maglilingkod.
After having accepted the position of, kindly state your position, to which I was elected, do hereby accept the duties and responsibilities pertaining to the said office. I solemnly pledge to uphold the club constitution and bylaws and fulfill the trust placed in me. I will dedicate my time and effort to meet the expectations of my fellow Lions and advance the welfare of my club. Indang Cavite Highlands 103 Lions Club and Lions International. I am committed to enhancing the prestige of Lionism and working collaboratively with fellow Lions in my club and in my district, serving with humility and integrity. Together we will lead to serve and serve to lead, focusing on service for the people. So help me God. Congratulations po sa inyo.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat.
Anong araw po?
Lalong-lalo na po sa ating mga pinagpanahon po. Sa ating fellow Lions, officers, members of the Indang Cavite Highlands 103. Our partners in service, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po sa inyong presensya sa makabuluhang okasyon ito. Una sa lahat, ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa tiwalang ipinagkaloob sa akin ng Lions Club International at ng Indang Cavite Highlands 103 Lions Club. Ang pagkakataong ito po ay hindi lamang isang karangalan, kundi isang mabigat ngunit makabuluhang responsibilidad. Ang maglingkod ng may integridad, malasakit at buong puso. Nais ko rin kilalanin at pasalamatan ng ating mga past officers at leaders, na naglatag ng matibay na pundasyon ng ating club. Lalong-lalo na ang ating charter president, si Kuya Albert Ramos. Dahil sa inyong sipag, dedikasyon at halimbawa ng tunay na Lionism, patuloy na lumalakas ang ating organisasyon at mas marami ang ating natutulungan. Kaya po kayo po ang inspirasyon namin sa pagpapatuloy ng ating misyon. Ang Lions Club ay hindi lamang isang samahan. Sabi nga kagaya na ng sinabi ni Kuya Noel kanina, ito ay isang pamilya ng mga taong handang magbigay ng oras, panahon, lakas at kakayahan para sa kapwa. Sa ating panata na we serve, ipinapaalala sa atin na ang tunay na pamumuno ay nasusukat hindi sa posisyon, kundi sa serbisyo. Sa aking panunungkulan, ako po ay naninindigan sa isang pamumunong bukas, inklusibo at nakatuon sa sama-samang pagkilos. Ang aking layunin ay palakasin pa ang ating mga programang pangkalusugan, kagaya ng sa diabetes, vision at sa pediatric cancer, mga proyekto ng pangkalikasan, na atin ang nasimulan at naitaguyod nitong mga nakalipas na taon. At syempre, yung mga community outreach programs natin. At tiyaking ang bawat miyembro ay may pagkakataong makibahagi at maglingkod ng ayon sa kanyang kakayahan. Ngunit malinaw po sa akin ng tagumpay ng ating club ay hindi nakasalalay sa isang tao lamang. Ito ay bunga ng pagkakaisa, kooperasyon at aktibong pakikilahok ng bawat layon. Kaya ako po ay humihiling sa inyong buong suporta, ideya at pakikipagtulungan. Sama-sama nating haharapin ang mga hamon at sama-sama rin nating ipagdiriwang ang ating mga tagumpay. Sa ating pagkakaisa, mas magiging makabuluhan ang ating serbisyo. Sa ating malasakit, mas maraming buhay ang ating maaabot. At sa ating paninindigan bilang mga layon, patuloy po tayo magiging ilaw ng pag-asa sa ating komunidad. Bilang pagtatapos, muli kong pinagtitibay ang aking pangakong maglingkod ng tapat, may pagpapakumbaba at may malinaw na layunin. Ang layunin na magsilbi para sa ikabubuti ng nakararami. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Ang Indang Cavite Lions International, Indang Cavite Highlands 103. At mabuhay po ang Lions International. Maraming salamat.
For the diabetes, I'd like to acknowledge the chairperson, Dr. Helen Astoveza. Then for the environment, I'd like to acknowledge the chairperson, Lion Attorney John Riola. And then for the youth, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the chairperson, Lion Marlon Clemente. And then for the relief operations, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the chairperson, Lion Jonathan Rosales. Lastly, for the humanitarian efforts, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our chairman, Lion Attorney John Riola.
And of course, I would like to request our beloved District Governor Apolinario Cortez. Please. Are you ready to take your oath? Kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me, please. I state your name. Having accepted the position of, state your position. To which I was appointed. Hereby uphold the duties and responsibilities of this office. I solemnly pledge to faithfully assist in executing the policies of State Club Indang Cavite, to convene my committee, develop and carry out our programs of activities, and dedicate my time and effort to advance the welfare of my club. Together, we will lead to serve and serve to lead, focusing on service for the people. So help me God. Congratulations! Thank you. And let's have a photo opportunity with our dignitaries.
Also calling on Engineer Domingo John Riola Okay, so let's be calling our members that are present here. Engineer Arnel Ramos, Engineer Alberto Figueroa.
Siya na po ito. Katawagan ni Ma'am Lady.
Yours truly. Christine Dion. Del Rosario. Of course, Miss Larry Carlos. Nancy. Kami lang po yung members na nandito.
In silence as we proceed for the charging ceremony of our new members. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Lions International District 301A2 and the officers and members of Indang Cavite Highland Lions 103 Lions Club, I want to express our sincere pleasure at your presence on this occasion. Membership in Lions International is a privilege. We are joining the largest and most active service club organization in the world. A group of over 1.3 million men and women in over 48,000 clubs in over 200 countries and geographical areas around the globe. Through your membership, you will help your Lions Club reach out to people in need and serve our underprivileged and less fortunate. You are becoming part of a distinguished service history that dates back to 1917. Accept membership in Lions International, knowing that you are encouraged to participate in the functions of the club. Will you abide by the Lions Code of Ethics, attend meetings, and contribute to the programs of your club, district, and Lions International? Now that you have manifested your willingness for membership, I now ask the lights in this hall to please be dimmed. Pwede pong patayin natin yung ilaw. Hold the mother candle in the center. And our District Governor Apolinario Cortez to please light the candle. Thereafter, may I ask each new member to light your own candles from the mother candle, one by one, starting from the left. As you light your candles, it is a symbol of your beginning in Lionism. With your candles lit, your responsibility as Lions begins, and together, we will be serving a world in need. I request everyone in this hall to please rise and maintain silence to preserve the solemnity of this ceremony. I now call on our inducting officer, the Global Service Team Coordinator, Cecil B. Asprek, to administer your oath of membership.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Group Alliance, and also our District Governor, Apollonario Cortez. Protocols have been observed earlier, so we will start our oath of membership. Are you ready to take your oath? Kindly raise your right hand and please repeat after me. I, please state your name po. In the presence of the officers of the Lions International District 30182 Philippines and the members of the Stater Lions Club po, to take this solemn obligation to abide by the Constitution and the laws of my club and that of Lions International, to attend all meetings regularly, to support and further the interests of the club in all its undertakings, and to contribute my fair share towards the financial support of the club. I further declare that I will assist in maintaining, building and strengthening the membership of the club. Furthermore, I will help the club by actively needed serving on communities and in other capabilities where my efforts are needed. And that I will practice the principles of the Code of Ethics and the purposes of the Lions International. We pledge to live to serve and serve to lead in the communities we serve by focusing on service for the people. So help me God. By the authority vested upon me by Alliance International District 30182, as your inducting officers, I now declare you all the newest members of the Indang Cavite Highlands 103 Lions Club. Congratulations po.
Ayan. Mga sponsors po muna dito sa harapan. Lahat po kayo yan. For the sponsors pledge. Kompleto na po ang mga sponsors. Kapatan po ninyo yung inyong mga members.
Ikaw po nga, parang doon.
O, punta ka doon.
Okay na po.
Dali mo, dali.
Sponsors, please raise your right hand and kindly respond to my questions with a simple I will.
I will.
Will you be a mentor to your new lion?
I will.
Will you make your new members feel welcome?
I will.
Will you introduce your new member to all club members?
I will.
Will you assist your new member in developing into an outstanding lion?
I will.
Thank you, sponsors. Please receive your sponsor pin and certificate. Ito, pins and certificate for the sponsors.
But sabi ko ulitin ka eh, babol ka.
Alfredo Salama.
Wala kang dalang kokwa? Kakao.
Thank you, sponsors.
Yun ang masarap.
Uy, masarap. Nagluluto yan.
Kompleto na po.
Kakao.
May mga pins na po lahat. Certificate. Okay po, please return to your place behind. Doon po tayo sa likod of our new members. The new members naman po dito sa harapan. I now ask the club president with the assistance of the region and zone chairpersons to present the label pins to the new members.
Saan si Pres?
Pakilagay na po yung mga pins. And may I ask our district governor also to present the membership certificate and new member kit. Pin po, dito po kayo.
Uy. Password cap daddy. Ano ma'am?
Program.
Bakit ko bang hawak-hawak to? Joke lang.
Okay na po? Okay na po? Dear new members, remember this day and wear your Lions emblem with pride. It signifies your membership in Lions International and your commitment to lead to serve and serve to lead. Always prioritizing service for the people. Let me congratulate you and welcome you to the largest and greatest service club organization in the world, the Lions International. Fellow Lions, let us give our new Lions our three loudest roar. Lions! 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 Congratulations. Let us have a photo opportunity first of our new members with the club president and the rest of our dignitaries. Yung mga... Ayan.
Pres Riel, doon ka daw. Ma'am, sama na kayo, ma'am. Sama kayo sa picture, dali. Sama kayo. Sama niyo si First Lady natin. Teka. Sama natin si First Lady. Sige. Oy, anuhin natin to. Para maganda sa picture. Mike, Zumba tayo mamaya dito ha, Zumba. Sagmak, mamaya Zumba tayo ha, para magulo. My turn. Official photographer. Official.
Okay, yung mga nasa likod na remember, pwesto ko yung big wheel na nasa harap niya para kita yung face. Alright? On 3, 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2, 3. Last one, 1, 2, 3. Pati na ganun. Lions. 1, 2, 3.
Lions.
Proudly celebrate his assumption as district governor. A true state testament to a lifetime leadership, service, and inspiration. Let us rise and welcome with thunderous applause our beloved district governor, Apolinar Umalik Paul Cortez, 6 p.m. a.m. Roar!
The 5th anniversary of the Indang Cavite Highlands Lions 103 is a powerful reminder that when people of goodwill unite with a common purpose, extraordinary things happen. 5 years ago, this club was born out of a shared dream to serve, to uplift, and to make a lasting difference, not by position, but by example. To our newly inducted officers and members, welcome to the Pride of Lions. Your dedication, your induction rather today, is more than a ceremony. It is a commitment. You are now part of a global family united by one mission, to serve humanity. May your journey as Lions be filled with purpose, friendship, and fulfillment. As Lions, our service is guided by the timeless vision of our founder, Melvin Jones, who once said, "You can't get very far until you start doing something for somebody else." This powerful truth is the very heart of Lionism and the foundation of the Melvin Jones Foundation. The humanitarian arms of Lions Clubs International. Through the Melvin Jones Foundation, Lion extends their compassion beyond borders. As we look ahead, may this 5th anniversary serve as a renewal of commitment. Let it remind us that unity is our strength, service is our calling, and compassion is our legacy. May the Indang Cavite Highlands Lions Club 103 continue to shine as a beacon of hope in Indang, in Cavite, and beyond. Congratulations on your 5th anniversary. Congratulations to our newly inducted officers and members. And congratulations to every Lion who continues to live the true meaning of this earth. Thank you, mabuhay, at magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Roar!
Lions!
Roar!
Lions!
Roar!
Lions!
Roar!
Before we
on the simple things and incredible things that we do in our community. So in Lions Club, from the ADAPT Estero program, our annual legal aid, our annual medical mission, and also our annual gift giving to the indigent community, to the indigent people of our community. So this was a truly live manifestation of our motto. We serve. Roar. So we serve is not just a motto, but for Indang Lions Highlands 103, it became our way of life. So thank you for our tireless members, our supportive community, and our distinguished guests for this event today. Remember, together we can make a massive impact on our community, one project, one person at a time. Let us carry this energy forward and continue to roar with passion. We serve. Roar! So to our new members, welcome to the greatest service organization in the world. Wear your emblem with pride and compassion. It signifies your commitment in serving others. So as we look ahead, so our future, the future of Indang Cavite Highlands, let's embrace new opportunities, knowing our combined efforts in our vision, hunger relief, diabetes awareness, and more, that it changes life. However simple our efforts, it changes lives. So let us continue our journey, learning, acting, and celebrating together. Thank you everyone for your commitment, and as I repeated, our motto becomes our way of life. We serve. Roar! Thank you very much, everyone.
Roar!
Lions! Roar!
Thank you all for coming. And by the power given to me by the Lions International and Indang Cavite Highlands 103, I declare this event adjourned.
Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Nandito na ang inyong Pops Rex. Bit-bit ko'y saya at kwentuhan. Isang bagong araw na ligtas, payapa. Tara na sa food trip at gala. Iwan mo na ang lungkot at problema. Pag kumpleto ang tropa, di ubra ang drama. Sa Pops Rex Nuts, hindi ka maiiwan. Sa Pops Rex Nuts, unlimited ang and vibe, it's Pops Rex Nuts time. Pa 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 para pa 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 para pa pa. Bumahaman ng problema ang bayan at mabigo sa ilang kaibigan. Nandito pa rin ang inyong Pops Rex, never kanyang tatalikuran. Isang bagong araw na puno ng pag-asa, samahan nyo sa bawat tawa. Iwan muna ang lungkot at problema, pag kumpleto ang tropa, tigil muna ang drama. Sa Pops Rex Nuts, hindi ka maiiwan. Sa Pops Rex Nuts, unlimited ang kasiyahan. Smile, laugh, relax, and vibe, it's Pops Rex Nuts time. Kahit anong bagyo, may liwanag pa rin, basta't sama-sama ka. límite